Hi, I'm Brittany Sheffer with Peace Love Sold Properties, and I'm an agent with 3 Doors. I buy, sell, and rehab properties. And today I'm going to show you one of my current renovations and show you how to make some money. If you want to make some money, come with me. All right, now we're in the living room. This living room used to be small, it was enclosed, it was so hard to put any furniture. So the first thing that we did is we opened up this wall, which was the back of the bedroom, and we opened it all the way to the kitchen. This creates the open floor plan that everybody's looking for when they're buying a house. The second thing we did was we actually enclosed this wall and moved it back 6 inches. This way you could have a couch on this wall and it kind of made this room flow. All right, here we are in the back of the house. Where I'm standing actually used to be one of the bedrooms. And over here was the kitchen. So what I decided to do, rip this main wall out to open this floor plan to give you a kitchen and dining combination, which everybody loves. Now you've got a nice U-shaped kitchen with a great big island, pendant lights, and I left one of the bedrooms right behind the living room along with the full bath for resale value. All right, now we're on the second floor. As you can see, we've added 2 large dormers, adding 450 more square feet. Once we did this, it opened up this whole area. We added zone heating and air upstairs. We've got our first bedroom on the front of the house, can lights throughout. As you walk over here, you've got your master bedroom, which is a 15 by 15 room with your large walk-in closet, which every girl wants. How many people don't have enough space in their closets? I do, but I do now. Right there. And then we added this nice master bathroom, which has openings on each side, which we call the Jack and Jill. This offers a double bowl vanity, a stand-up walk-in shower with your rain head faucet, soaking tub will go there. I've got a toilet over here, and it's gonna be pretty nice. Another great thing about the dormers is that it allowed us to relocate all the steps to the side of the house. Come check out the basement. As you can see, we've got our open floor plan, which gives you a second entertainment space. I added a wet bar, so that way you can have parties and entertain. Behind me, I've got a full bedroom, which everybody always wants to know, how can we add a bedroom in the basement and make it count? Well, because you have a walkout, you can actually consider it an egress. But you cannot have a panel in your bedroom. So I ran all the electric up to the front, so that way you can actually consider it a full bedroom. And I added a closet underneath the steps, so it's a legal bedroom now. On the side of it, I added a full bathroom, so it actually becomes kind of a little suite area. And we've got our mechanical room and our laundry room up front. So really, this is a pretty completed space, and somebody could live down here and you wouldn't even know they were there. All right, guys, so just to recap about everything today, when you're going to change the structural plans around for a house, you need to make sure that if you take out the beds, move them around, that you end up putting them back somewhere, because you don't want to take a 4-bedroom house and knock it down to a 2 so you can have an open floor plan. You've got to make sure it makes sense, that the open floor plan makes sense, and there's enough beds and baths to hold the value. So thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and on our next video we're going to talk about electrical codes. Thanks!